So I bought a new fan off of Amazon. I have a room here that's it goes out to our deck, and it's a small room, and it doesn't cool off that great with the rest of the house. So we bought this fan off Amazon, and it's a little bit different. It's a box style fan. So I'm gonna put it up in our ceiling and install it, and I'm gonna be replacing this light right here. So I'm going to take this light out, install this fan, and once I've got it installed, I'll show you how it operates. And what I'll do too is I'll put a link to this fan in the description of this video. So if you'd like to buy one, you can go to Amazon and purchase one out of there. Just wanted to do a quick video for you guys to show you what it's all about and what it looks like when it's installed. So I took all of the fan and all the parts outside of the box, took it out of the box. This is everything that comes in the box. It's a fan assembly, and you're going to have a bag of hardware and some anchors, a couple of batteries, a remote, and there's a remote holder too. I'm not going to use the remote holder. I don't want to bolt that to my wall, so I'll probably put it on the TV stand with the rest of the remotes. And here's a manual on the light itself. It doesn't come with light bulbs, or at least mine didn't. And I think it takes like standard size lights. That's what it looks like to be to me. So I'm gonna run out and get some lights and get this thing put in. So I have the fan installed. It wasn't too difficult to install. There's just like a neutral wire, a hot wire, and a ground wire. Here's the remote for the fan. And you know, the lights work independently from the fan too, so you can turn the light on, turn the light off. And then there's 6 speeds on the fan. So I'll put it on the highest one. And it kicks right on. And then the remote also has like forward, reverse. So the fan does have forward and reverse settings. And there's like a 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. So if you press one of these buttons, it'll shut off in like an hour or 4 hours. So right here, there's an alarm button. What that does is if you press it and shut it off, it shuts off the beep on the remote. See, now it's on. So if I hit a setting, it'll beep every time. If I go like that, it'll be quiet. It'll shut it off. But it's not a bad fan. I have a tiny little room here. It moves quite a bit of air. It has 6 settings on it, and it has reverse too, so you can use it in the winter to pull the heat down from the ceiling if you need to. It takes 40-watt bulbs, according to the directions. We put LEDs in there, and I'll put a link to this fan in the description of the video. If you guys have any questions about it, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and thanks for checking us out.